Phlebotoman sandflies are of major veterinary importance because they act as vectors of trypanosomes, Babesia, Leishmania, Plasmodium. And the correct answer is option C, that is Leishmania. Which mosquito genera are collectively involved in the transmission of both canine heartworm and avian malaria? Anopheles, Culex and Aedes. Anopheles and Aedes only. Culex and Mansonia only. Aedes and Mansonia only. And the correct answer is option A, that is Anopheles, Culex and Aedes. A distinctive cigar-shaped egg morphology is characteristic of which group of bee-tongue flies? Culicidae, Muscidae, Tabanidae, Psychodidae. And the correct answer is option C, that is Tabanidae. What is the anatomical term used for the anterior part of the insect digestive tract? Mesenteron, Stomodium, Proctodium, Hemocoel. And the correct answer is option B, that is Stomodium. The condition known as summer sores in horses is most accurately described as a bacterial dermatitis, a dromiasis, cutaneous hydranamiasis, fungal granuloma. And the correct answer is option C, that is cutaneous hydranamiasis. Elongated eggs resembling the shape of a banana are characteristic feature of which genus of flies? Musca, Tivanus, Stomoxys, Glossina. And the correct answer is option A, that is Musca. Which of the following correctly represents the life cycle stages of lice? Egg, larva, pupa, adult. Egg, nymph, adult. Egg, maggot, pupa, adult. Egg, larva, nymph, adult. And the correct answer is option B, that is egg, nymph into adult. Under which major taxonomic class are ticks categorized? Insecta, Crustacea, Arachnida, Diplopoda. And the correct answer is option C, that is Arachnida. Which arthropod order includes both ticks and mites? Exodida, Diptera, Siphonaptera, Acarina. And the correct answer is option D, that is Acarina. In entomological classification, insects belonging to the order Hemiptera are commonly referred to by which name? Coleopterans, Orthopterans, true bugs, dipterans. And the correct answer is option C, that is true bugs. Dengue hemorrhagic fever is transmitted by insects belonging to which taxonomic order? Siphonaptera, Diptera, Hemiptera, Hymenoptera. And the correct answer is option B, that is Diptera. Which arthropod vector is responsible for the transmission of blue tongue disease in animals? Tsetse fly, or also read as tsetse fly, tick, mosquito, bitten midge, or culicoid. And the correct answer is option D, that is bitten midge. Stable flies are capable of transmitting certain pathogens mechanically. Which of the following pathogens can be spread in this manner by stable flies? Trypanosoma evansii, Leishmania infantum, Onchocerca gutrosa, both A and B. And the correct answer is option D, that is both A and B. From a taxonomic perspective, ticks are classified under which principal class of arthropods? Insecta, Crustacea, Arachnida, Diplopoda. And the correct answer is option C, that is Arachnida. The immature stages that occur between molts during insect development are collectively termed as nymphs, larvae, pupae, instars. And the correct answer is option D, that is instars. Which developmental pattern involves nymphal stages that closely resemble the adult insect? Holometabolous, hemimetabolous, hypermetabolous, ametabolous. And the correct answer is option B, that is hemimetabolous. The profound structural and functional change from immature to adult insect stage is termed ecdysis, instar formation, metamorphosis, fertilization. And the correct answer is option C, that is metamorphosis. Simoleon species are known to transmit all of the following except Eastern equine encephalitis virus, vesicular stomatitis virus, leukocytozoan, trypanosoma evans. And the correct answer is option D, that is trypanosoma evans. In veterinary entomology, which family includes insects commonly referred to as sandflies? Culicidae, Simulidae, Psychodidae, Ceratopogonidae. And the correct answer is option C, that is Psychodidae. The bacterial agent most commonly associated with pink eye in cattle and transmitted by phase flies is Pasteurella multocida, Moraxilla bovis, Mycoplasma bovis, Brucella abartus. And the correct answer is option B, that is Moraxilla bovis. In addition to acting as mechanical vectors, phase flies serve as intermediate hosts for which parasites? Lyrofilaria and Onchocerca, Abronema and Dracea, Trichuris and Strongyloids, Parafilaria bovicola and Thilasia. And the correct answer is option D, that is Parafilaria bovicola and Thilasia. Biting flies, commonly known as tsetse flies, belong to which taxonomic family? Tabernidae, Muscidae, Glossinidae, Simulidae. And the correct answer is option C, that is Glossinidae. The genus Glossina is of exceptional veterinary importance mainly because it acts as a vector of leishmaniasis, babesiosis, African trypanosomosis, theileriosis. And the correct answer is option C, that is African trypanosomosis. Which type of meiosis occurs when fly larvae may develop either in living tissues or in decaying organic matter? Obligatory meiosis, accidental meiosis, pseudomeiosis, facultative meiosis. And the correct answer is option D, that is facultative meiosis. Nasal meiosis is most commonly associated with larvae of which genus? Hypoderma, Lucilia, Oestrus, Gastrophilus. And the correct answer is option C, that is Oestrus.